Assalamu alaikum. I am back with another new video. I'll show you how you going to fix restricted monetization on Facebook. There is many user struggling with the restricted monetization. I will show you today why Facebook give you that stake restricted monetization and how you going to solve the problem. Just a few setup you can remove that restricted monetization on Facebook. Just watch this video till end. I'll show you today how you going to solve restricted monetization on Facebook. If you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. Nowadays so many people have that restricted monetization problem on Facebook face. So I will solve that problem. You can go the Chrome browser and you see the here is the you can tick the desktop site. When you click the desktop site, you must write here Creator Studio. When you enter the Creator Studio, you will see the one interface like this. You can see here monetization. You can click here. When you will see the one interface like this, you can click the policy issue. Why that issue Facebook give you? Here is the restricted monetization on Facebook. Look here, they write here, your ability to earn is limited because Bengali News isn't following our partner monetization policies. Because you was using many copyright content on your face, that's why Facebook giving you that stake from Facebook. You can use third-party content on your Facebook face. If you download from other source and you re-upload again on your face, then Facebook give you the restricted monetization violence. Many people they have this problem on their Facebook face. While Facebook was giving you that stake limited originality of content, Bengali News 24 shared content that was unoriginal or repurposed content from other source with limited added value. They was mentioned here that you was using content from other source, it's unoriginal, that's why you losing your monetization status. If you want to remove that violence, you have to delete your all unoriginal content from your Facebook face. So if you using copyright content on your Facebook face, the Facebook give you that stake limited originality of content. That means you was using copyright content on your Facebook face. So how you going to get monetization back? You see the here content library, you can just click here. If you click the content library, you will see the one interface like this. You must find out from here which one is the copyright content you was using from other source. If you saw the copyright content here, you can just delete from here your copyright content. When you going to delete your copyright content and Facebook going to decide and Facebook team going to review your face, and if you are usability, they give you monetization back. Listen guys, if you using copyright content, you can get monetization back. Facebook doesn't give you monetization if you use copyright content on your Facebook face. So you must be careful about the third party content, and you can use from someone belongs to someone, you can use that content on your Facebook face. If you do continue monetization on your Facebook face, must be all content are clean, even you was create that content. You can remove that problem when you using someone content. If you want to fix it, that restricted monetization, from now you can just delete all video, all unoriginal video from your Facebook face. It can be image, music, whatever you was copy from other site, and wait 3 weeks or 4 weeks, then Facebook going to review your face, and looking good your face, they will give you monetization back. If you want back to your monetization, you have to do remove all copyright content from your face, upload the original content which is create from you. If you want monetization back, you have to use original content on Facebook. So I think you guys are understand. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.